Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you how you can enable Meta AI feature on WhatsApp. So Meta AI feature is the latest feature of the artificial intelligence which you can use on WhatsApp. So here you can see that here I'm using Meta AI feature on my WhatsApp. So if this feature is not showing on your WhatsApp, so in this video, I'll show you how you can enable this feature on your WhatsApp account. So first of all, here you'll have to close this tab. After that, first of all, here you'll have to open setting on your iPhone or iPad device. Then here you'll have to scroll it below, then tap on general here, then tap on software update here. Make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. If you don't have an updated version of iOS, then you will have to update your iPhone device to the latest version of the iOS. Then after that, go back. Then here you will have to close this tab. After that, here you will have to open App Store on your iPhone or iPad device. So here I will have to open App Store. Here is App Store. You will have to open this. Then here you will have to search for WhatsApp Messenger here. So here you will have to search for WhatsApp Messenger here. So then tap on search. So here you can see that here is the WhatsApp Messenger. Here you will have to open this. Here you will have to update the WhatsApp application to the latest available version. So here I am using already an updated version of WhatsApp. That's why it's not showing here update. So if you don't have an updated version of WhatsApp, then here you will find the update. Here you will have to tap on update. Then you will be able to use Meta AI feature on your WhatsApp account because this feature is only available on the latest version of the WhatsApp. So in this way, you can enable and use the Meta AI feature on WhatsApp. You can use it. You can use and you can ask any query from here. It will answer you, and you can use it like ChatGPT as you use ChatGPT on Google Chrome or any other browser. So in this way, you can enable or activate the Meta AI feature on WhatsApp account. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.